Hi students, good morning. So these are all standard results, very important. In a triangle ABC, prove that sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 cos A sin B into cos C. Triangle ABC means A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. If A comma B comma C are the angles of a triangle, that means in a triangle ABC means A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. In a triangle ABC, sum of the three angles is 180. Now I have to prove that. So this is sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Now, what I told you previously, this chapter completely depends on only these four formulas. Sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, and cos C minus cos D only. Now, this is cos sin C minus sin D. So, this is the formula is sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So, this is 2 into, so this is cos of 2A plus 2B by 2. Cos A, cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of 2A minus 2B by 2 plus sin 2C. So this is 2 into cos of 2 is taken common, 2 gets cancelled. So this is A plus B into this is a sin of A minus B. 2 common, 2 gets cancelled plus sin 2C. 2 into what is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. A plus B equal to 180 minus C. So this is cos of 180 degrees minus C into sin of A minus B plus sin 2C. Sin 2C. Since A plus B plus C equal to A plus B equal to what? 180 minus C. So I can write A plus B is 180 minus C. Now cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta, because 180 minus second quadrant, cos is negative. So that is equal to minus 2 cos C and into, see this is sin of A minus B plus sin 2C. What is the formula of sin 2A? Sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A. Sin cos A. What is sin 2C? 2 sin C cos C. So this is 2 sin C into cos C. Now this is 2 cos C. 2 cos C is taking common. Taking common. First I write this one. So this is what? Sin C. Minus, I can write this term, minus sin of A minus A minus B. 2 sin C is taking common. First I write this one, sin C, and it is minus. Minus, this is sin A minus B. That is equal to 2 cos C into where C is equal to what? What about C equal to 180 minus of A plus B. So this is a sin of 180 degrees minus of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Okay, since C can be written as C is equal to what? 180 degrees minus of this part, minus of A plus B. So this is 2 into cos C into sine of 180 minus theta, second quadrant, sine is positive. Therefore, this is sine of A plus B minus the sine of A minus B. Sine of 180 minus theta equal to sine theta minus, this is as usual. Now we have sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B equal to. So just you go through your previous class or see the previous video. So all formulas there in clearly, or just you have to see your notes. So you can write clearly for this. Sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B is equal to what? 2 cos A sin B. So 2 cos A sin B. That is equal to, so these are formulas. That is equal to what? So this is 2 cos C, 2 cos C into, so sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. Or if you don't know this formula, just you write the expansion of sine of A plus B and sine of A minus B. So I can write the expansion. So this is sine of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus sine of A minus B. What is sine of A minus B? So this is sin A cos B minus cos A into sin B, expansion. This is equal to 2 cos C into so this is sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B minus sin A cos B, and it is minus of minus plus cos A sin B. So sin A cos B, so these two gets cancelled. That is 2 cos C into cos of cos A sin B, cos A sin B, 2 times of cos A sin B. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 cos A sin B and cos C. Okay, which is equal to RHS. Next one, same model problems. Same model problems. These are all very important problems. You try yourself. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Then prove that first one sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b into sin c. Second problem, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c is equal to 4 cos a cos b and sin c. So these are the very important, and also this is the only fundamental results. These are all. So this is the standard results. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c, provided if a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. These two problems are same as the previous sum. So you try yourself. Next one, if a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, or a comma b comma c are the angles of a triangle, or it is given like this, or if a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle, then prove that cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 minus 4 sin a cos b and sin c. A comma b comma c, a b c are the angles of a triangle, or if a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, that is both are same. Now taking LHS, this is cos c minus cos d form. What about cos c minus cos d? Cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this is the formula, cos c minus cos d. So this is minus 2 sin, this is 2a plus 2b by 2 into sin of 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c plus cos 2c. So this is minus 2 sin, 2 is taken common, a plus b by 2 into a plus b by 2. So this is a plus b. This is a sin of a minus b plus cos 2c. So this is the previous sum. So this is minus 2 of, this write sin of, what is a plus b equal to? A plus b equal to what? 180 minus c. 180 degrees minus c into sin of a minus b plus cos 2c. Cos of 180, sin of 180 minus c equal to what? Sin 180 minus second quadrant, sin is positive, therefore this becomes sin c. Already minus 2 is there already, so minus 2 into sin c into this is a sin of a minus b. Now cos 2c, there are 2 or 3 formulas are there. If it is sin 2c, we have only one formula, 2 sin c cos c. But cos 2c, there are 3 formulas. Which is suitable? That means what? Decide depends on this one. You are having sin c is there. So you write cos 2c formula in terms of sin. What about cos 2c? Is equal to 2 cos square c minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square c. So which is suitable? Depends on this. So if it is sin c, you can write in terms of sin. If it is cos, you write in terms of cos. That's why don't write here only. So you can write cos 2c, cos 2c, cos 2c, and see whether it is sin or cos. If it is cos, you write in terms of cos. If it is a sin, you write in terms of sin. Now cos 2c are write in terms of sin. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square c. So 1 I can write first. So 1 minus 2 sin c into sin of a minus b minus 2 sin square c. That is 1 minus these two. I can take 2 sin c is taken common. So this is what? Sin of a minus b. Minus common, so this becomes plus. So this is sin c. That is sin c. So that is 1 minus 2 sin c into, again this is sin of a minus b plus sin. Again c is equal to what? What about c equal to 180 minus of 180 degrees minus of a plus b. 180 minus of a plus b. What about a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees? A plus b is equal to 180 degrees minus c, or c is equal to 180 degrees minus of a plus b. Sometimes you can use this, somewhere you can use this one. Okay, so there is 1 minus 2 sin c into, so this is a sin of a minus b, sin 180 minus theta. 180 minus the second quadrant, sin is positive, so this becomes plus sin of a plus b. A plus b. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin c into sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to, so this is 2 sin a cos b. Just once you go through your notes, so everything is clear. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b value. Or if you forget about this one, you can write the expansion of this and write the expansion of this. Two terms gets cancelled. You will get 2 sin a cos b. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 to the 4. So this is sin a into cos b into sin c. So which is equal to what? So this is RHS. next one. If A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, or if A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, then prove that. First one, sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into cos C by 2. Sin A plus sin B minus sin C equal to. Now taking LHS, here this is sin C plus sin D form. What about sin C plus sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So by using the formula 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C. So this is 2 sin A plus B equal to what? 180 minus C. C. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, that is 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. So A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2, or C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus of A plus B by 2. So you can use any one. So A plus B by 2 is equal to what? What is A plus B by 2? 90 minus C by 2. Okay, A plus B plus C equal to 180 dividing by 2. So this is 90 degrees. So A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2, or A plus B by 2 plus C by 2, both are same. So 90, so this is what? 90 degrees minus C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin C. Sin C. So this is 2 into sin of 90 minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is sin of 90 minus C by 2 is cos C by 2. And this is cos of A minus B by 2 minus, what is this formula of sin C? 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Just like sin A form. What is sin 2A form? 2 sin A cos A. What is sin A form? 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. What is sin A by 2 form? 2 sin A by 4 cos A by 4, like this. So sin C form 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Here 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C by 2 is taking common. 2 cos C by 2 taking common. So this is cos of A minus B by 2 minus, this is what? Sin C by 2. So this is 2 cos C by 2 into, this is cos of A minus B by 2 minus, so this is sin of, what about C by 2 equal to 90 minus of 90 degrees minus of A plus B by 2. 90 minus of A plus B by 2. So this is 2 into cos C by 2. This is cos of A minus b by 2 minus sin of 90 minus theta. So treat as this is theta. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So this is cos of a plus b by 2. So this is 2 cos c by 2 into, this is what, cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus, this is cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. Now this is also formula, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is what, 2 this is 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2, or you don't know, just write the expansion for this one and you get the answer. Okay, write down. So if you write this expansion, so this is 2 cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b, cos a means what, a by 2 into cos b by 2 plus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Next, minus of, put minus, bracket. So this is cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 minus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Okay. So this is cos a by 2, sin a, cos b by 2. Cos a by 2 gets cancelled. So this is 2 cos c by 2 into, so this is minus of minus, that is plus. So this is sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Minus of minus, plus. This is sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Okay, so this is sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin a by 2, sin b by 2, which is 2 times of 2 cos c by 2 into 2 times of sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. So that is what, 2 2s are 4. 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2, and this is cos c by 2, cos of c by 2. So which is this result. Okay. Next one, if a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees or a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle, then prove that cos a plus cos b minus cos c is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. A, B, C are the angles of a triangle. Same by using cos C, LHS. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. C minus means what? A minus B by 2 minus cos C. Cos C, there are two formulas, 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. So don't write now. Don't decide now. Okay, now we will decide later. 2 into, this is cos of a plus b by 2 means what? A plus b by 2 is 90 minus c by 2 into cos of, this is a minus b by 2 minus cos c. So this is 2 into cos of 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. So this is sin c by 2 into, this is cos of a minus b by 2 minus. Now we have to decide cos c by 2, right, in terms of sin. Cos c formula in terms of sin. Cos c is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2 minus of 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. So this is 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin square c by 2. Okay, you write minus 1, write first. Minus 1. Next to plus. Here 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin c by 2 is taking common. 2 sin c by 2 is taking common. But the remaining part is what? Cos of a minus b by 2 plus, this is a sin c by 2. So 2 sin c by 2 is taking common, only 1 sin c by 2 is there. So minus 1 plus, this is 2 sin c by 2 of, this is cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin of, where c by 2 equal to 90 minus of a plus b by 2. 90 degrees minus of a plus b by 2. So this is minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into, this is cos of a minus b by 2 plus. So sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is cos of a plus b by 2. Okay, that is equal to So this is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into this, right, cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. Now that is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into, this is cos of a plus b into plus cos of a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. So that means what? That is 2 into cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Or you write the expansion for both. So 2 terms gets cancelled, you get that one. Therefore, this is what? 2 to the 4 minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, this is our required result. Next one, so I will give you 2 problems based on same model. Try yourself. First one, if a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, or a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle, then prove that. First one, sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 and cos c by 2. And the second one, prove that cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. So these 2 results, cos a plus cos b plus cos c equal 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. Next one, if a plus b plus c equal to 0 degrees, if a plus b plus c equal to 0 degrees, then prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to minus 4 sin A sin B sin C. Minus 4 sin A sin B and sin C. Same as the previous sum, but only thing is what? In the given previous sum, A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. But here 0 degrees. What about A plus B equal to minus C? Where C equal to minus of A plus B. Now this is LHS. Sin C plus sin D. 2 sin 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos of 2A minus 2B by 2 plus sin 2C. 2 sin 2 common A plus B into cos of 2 common A minus B plus sin 2C. What is A plus B equal to what? A plus B equal to minus C. A plus B equal to minus C into cos of A minus B plus, so this is sin 2C form, 2 sin C into cos C. Okay, so it is not minus. So sin of minus C equal to what? Minus. So the minus 2 sin C into this is cos of A minus B and plus this is 2 sin C into cos C. Okay, in this one you can take 2 or minus 2 sin C is taking common. This is what? Cos of A minus B, A minus B minus this is cos C, minus cos C. So that is equal to minus 2 sin C into this is cos of A minus B minus, where C is equal to, what is C equal to? A plus B plus C equal to 0 degrees. A plus B equal to minus C, minus C. And what is C is equal to minus of A plus B. C equal to what? So this is cos of minus of A plus B. Minus of A plus B. That is minus 2 sin C into, so this is cos of A minus B minus cos of minus theta equal to what? Minus theta equal to cos theta only. So this is what? Cos of A plus B. A plus B. So that is equal to, so this is minus 2 sin C into cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B equal to 2 sin A sin B. Therefore that becomes, that is equal to minus 4 sin A sin B sin C. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, thank you.